It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and here we are at this end of lease repaint where we've come in to attend to all the walls and ceilings of the home, which had some imperfections due to the previous tenants having hooks on the wall, and there was some minor damage, nothing major. But the owner of the property felt that it was time to just give the walls a freshen up, and we went ahead and repainted them in the same color, which was Dulux Natural White, and we painted all the ceilings in builder's white. So we went about preparation for a couple of days, then sanded and undercoated all of the repairs, and then we applied a coat of paint to all the ceilings and walls just to make it ready and clean for the new tenants when they come in, and to make this place a really lovely place to live in. You can see the contrast between the ceiling and the walls is very subtle. So if you're an owner looking to get some work done, we could very easily come in and do this for you. We did some repairs in this hallway, and you can see the fresh paint on the wall of the hallway. And in the 3 bedrooms, we basically just made sure there was no marks on the wall from a bed head or from grubby hands, whether that was from little kids or some scratches from moving the furniture in and out. The doors all looked immaculate, so they didn't need to be repainted. They just needed a little bit of a clean. And the bathrooms were also very tidy and in a really lovely condition. So we just freshened up the walls just to make sure that they were all going to be nice and clean and lovely place to have a shower. In the rear of the house, we removed some planters from the back fence for the client, so just as a bit of an extra, and we painted this back area, kitchen, behind the fridge and all the walls, and you can see the last coat drying as we head out towards the front door. If you need a painter, please do feel free to call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance for a free quote anytime.